everyone. Take a fruit form net like this and put the sticks on the both sides as shown in the video. Now take a paper and draw the dragon over it and cut it out. Fix it on the sticks and it's ready. Next, take a plastic bottle and cut it out like this into frills. Now take the clay and make small balls using it. Now fix it on the top of the plastic bottle and then fix it over the bottom part and it's ready. Next, take a white fruit foam net and fix the sticks on the sides. Roll it properly as shown in the video. Now cover it using the yellow fruit foam net. Now after that, we will fix the candies on the top of it. Tie it from both the sides using a rubber band. Fix the candies and your candy stick is ready. Next, take a blue color paper and fold it like this. Now draw the lines using the earbuds on it like this. Now cut it out and your snowflakes is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a garlic and remove its peel very carefully in the shown way. Now cut it from the sides to make the petals of the flower. Take a yellow color paper and make the frills out of it. Put it over a stick and then cover it using the garlic peel like this and your flower stick is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the rubber bands like this and fix it on your fingers as shown in the video. Now again, after fixing it, remove one by one and cover it like this. Make a chain out of it. Watch the technique very carefully. Now tie it from the both sides like this and your bracelet is ready. Next, take a plastic bottle like this and cut it from the between. Surround it using these sticks as shown in the video. Now take the clay and make small balls out of it. Fix it over the dry sticks and put it inside the basket and your flower vase is ready. Next, take a gloves and make the hen on it like this. Make its feathers. Now we will take a paper cup and put the gloves over the paper cup. Now fix it using a rubber band and it's ready. Thanks for watching.